Hello, everyone. Today, I wanted to talk about commercial leasing. Now, many business owners, you ready to start a new business, and you found the perfect location, and now you're ready to lease a property. You're going to start your business. Now, something that I've been seeing recently, it's something which is of rather major importance to a new business who wants to do a lease. First of all, commercial lease, basically it's an agreement, and you can draw up your own agreement with the landlord. But typically, a landlord will already have either their own drawn up agreement, or they'll use basically a form lease where most of the information is already in there. It's pre-printed, and then you would then insert your name, the name of the tenant, name of the landlord, the location, the length of the lease. You might have addendums, additional documents that might talk about what you can and cannot do, other requirements. Maybe there's something that will reference the landlord willing to include money for tenant improvement, that kind of thing. Those are all very standard things. But one thing that you, as the new business owner, as the potential lessee, and I'm really talking to those people who are thinking about entering into a lease, because that's when I want you to start thinking about this before you've signed that lease. So typically, there are certain things that the lessee has to do for their due diligence. One of those is they have to see that the property can support what it is they want to do. First, is the area zoned for that type of business? Second, are there any requirements of the location in order to run that business? And what I may mean by that is there anything that needs to be added? It might be a question of whether the handicap spaces are ADA compliant. It's the American Disabilities Act, and whether that might impact your business if it's there. There might be construction that has to be done, but whatever the possibilities, it is important that the lessee do these due diligence inspections and determinations prior to entering into the lease. In most cases, these types of leases are in favor of the landlord, and that means they only have to provide the premises to you basically in a rentable condition. They're not required to determine or to guarantee that the type of business you want to run there is permittable. Now, if they've had previous businesses who have attempted to rent there for the same reasons, and they were aware of these issues, and therefore, knowing this, still rented it to you, knowing that you would have this problem, and not disclosing to you that there is this problem, that is a different matter. That could then result in the landlord being responsible if you enter into a contract and then you find out you can't run your business there. But for the new business owner, if you just rent it without determining whether you can actually run your business there, that could create great problems. So please, if you're looking to rent a real estate location, strike that and start over again. So please, if you're looking into a commercial lease for your business, don't forget to do your due diligence before you sign your name off on that lease. Otherwise, you may find a lease where you're forced to be the tenant, or you have to settle to get out of your lease because you can't run your business there.